Then I washed this.
Oh, little rascals. Oh, there's something else.
Yeah, Mama's
It's gotta
changed.
be happy things.
Mary's changed the bedding for them. Brand new baby kitties. What day were they born?
As far as I know, it was either the 31st or the 1st. Okay, now, that gives them something soft.
And Mama's a calico.
And Mama's a calico, and I know she had sex with the black and white, the mostly black one.
Uh-oh, this is a public video. Uh-oh. We'll have to blip out something of that.
Passion fit.
A passion pit. Oh, gosh, they're beautiful. Gorgeous.
They look very healthy.
They look very healthy. Boy, they've calmed down. They're all going to sleep right now.
The coat looks good.
Beautiful.